how are you? Hope you all are doing well, okay, and enjoying your holidays. But now your new session has been started, so start your studies, okay. This is your new course book. Your syllabus has been changed, so purchase new book soon. So this is your new book. Your first chapter is user management, data backup and troubleshooting, and topics covered in this chapter: user privileges, file permission, data backup, monitoring system and processes, troubleshooting of hardware and applications. Okay, imagine that you are working in an office where many people are working, and the computers that are used by the people in the morning shifts are also used by the people in the evening shift. In this case, anyone can erase your data, delete your files, and make changes to the configuration of your computer. Even change your password. We are also face this problem in our lab, that you always told that someone has deleted your file. Okay, so a computer can have multiple users. मतलब एक कंप्यूटर पर काफ़ी सारे लोग काम कर सकते हैं. आप भी करते हो, आपके जो दूसरे बैचेस आते हैं वो भी काम करते हैं. तो in this case we can divide computer users in two categories, and that they are general users and system administrators. Okay, here we want to know that what is privilege. Here we are using a term privilege. So what is privilege? Privilege is a set of permissions to perform some actions on computer. It means कि हम किसी यूज़र को कुछ permissions दे देते हैं कि वो कंप्यूटर पर उनका यूज़ कर सके. Okay, each type of user has different privileges. Each of user of the system has a separate account on the computer with a login ID and password. मतलब सबका login ID और password हमने अलग अलग दिया हुआ है, और वे उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना कंप्यूटर एक्सेस करते हैं, फाइल्स पे वर्क करते हैं, और उसके लिए हमने परमिशन दी हुई है. लाइक समवन हैज़ चेंज द नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर can change the network settings, make changes to the system settings such as date, time, etc., install or uninstall certain operations for all users, and they can also add or delete accounts for general users. Okay, so what is general users? A general user can access the computer and run application that are already installed. मतलब जो जनरल यूज़र होता है वो इंस्टॉल नहीं कर सकता अपने अकॉर्डिंग उसमें कोई सॉफ्टवेयर या कोई फाइल्स, बट वो उन्हें एक्सेस करके उन पर वर्क कर सकता है. सो जनरल यूज़र कैन ओपन, क्रिएट, एडिट, डिलीट फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स. सो यूज़ द इंस्टॉल्ड एप्लीकेशंस एंड चेंज यूज़र अकाउंट पासवर्ड. ओके, ही कैन ऑल्सो चेंज हिज पासवर्ड. ओके, जस्ट लाइक you can change the password of Gmail. Okay, you are not the system administrator here, but you can change your password. Okay, now we are coming to next topic, that is file permissions. So what is file permission? Just like users have certain privileges over the system and its settings, they also have specific privileges for all files and folders. The owner of the file or the system administrator has the right to grant, revoke this permission for any set of users. Okay, so if you make a file on MS Word, MS PowerPoint or any software and you don't want to show it others, so you can give it to password or give permissions to others. Okay, for this you have to right click on the file, select properties, click on the security of permission tab, select the user and set the permission for that specific user. Okay, here you can see many types of permission for read, edit, rename, delete, execute, grant, revoke, access. So you can tick on the properties which you want to change. Okay, or which type of permission you give to your user. So today's class has been finished, and your homework is you have to read the chapter and solve the exercise given in the chapter. Okay students, and we will provide you notes and question answers.